With more cars on the road than ever before, it's important to protect yourself in the unfortunate case of a car accident. Having a dashcam mounted in your vehicle will record those crucial moments. Whether you need evidence for a car accident, possible scams, driver-passenger conflict in a rideshare, monitoring drivers in your fleet, or even social media content creation, Type S has the right dashcam for your ride. When it comes to dashcams, Type S has multiple purpose-built cameras for your specific needs. In general, each of our dashcams have 30 frames per second. This allows you to capture license plate frames clearly, even at high rates of speed. Type S dashcams have loop record, where new footage will automatically overwrite old footage, so there will never be a concern of running out of space. The G sensor is the pivotal part of our dashcams, as this is what detects a vehicle crash. When the G sensor senses a crash, it automatically moves the accident footage into a different folder on your SD card. This prevents your important footage from being overwritten. The Type S S401 is a great introduction to adding a dashcam to your vehicle. The 4K camera is perfect for daily commuters, and with a 139-degree viewing angle, you will have perfect wide-angle clarity. For those who want to have both a front-facing and cabin-facing option, the Type S S402 PRO is ideal for your rideshare drivers and fleet operators. The 4K front-facing camera and 2K cabin-facing camera captures its content in crystal clear detail. One of my favorite dashcams is the Type S 360. This camera gives you a 360-degree field of view. This allows you to record all aspects of your vehicle. This is a great tool for content creators wanting to showcase their on and off-road adventures. The VR recording mode allows the viewer to experience the drive in 360-degree virtual reality, as if they were right there with you during the road trip. If space is an issue, Type S offers a clip-on mirror dash camera that mounts to your existing rearview mirror. Not only is it convenient to install, but it offers an upgrade to the existing mirror in size and functionality. Additionally, with select dash cameras, you can install the optional rear camera to have a true full view of your vehicle's surroundings. Installation is easier than ever. Power comes from your 12-volt accessory port. The cables can be strategically hidden behind interior panels to maintain a factory appearance. For a more permanent installation, you can wire the power directly to your fuse box with an optional wiring harness. When your dashcam is hardwired to your vehicle, you now have access to park and record. The dashcam is now motion activated or can be triggered by an impact while your vehicle is parked. The dashcam automatically wakes up and records a 20-second video. So if you find your vehicle was hit overnight while parked on the street, you have the evidence you need for your insurance. So whether you're a rideshare driver or just a daily commuter, Type S offers the right dashcam for your vehicle. Don't wait until it's too late. Visit typesauto.com to get your dashcam today.